Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fun personalized t-shirt using Touch Love fabric markers. It's super easy and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, make sure your t-shirt is clean and dry. I'm using a cardboard insert to keep the back of my shirt protected. This also helps keep the fabric flat while we draw. I designed this Dream Without Limits lettering in Canva and printed it out. You can use any design you like. Feel free to get creative. Now, let's start outlining the design. I'm using the fine tip of the marker for this. Take your time and try to be as precise as possible. Don't worry, if it's not perfect, that's part of the charm. If you're not confident freehanding, you can use a pencil to lightly sketch the design first. Just make sure to erase any visible pencil lines later. Now, for the fun part, adding color. I'm using a mix of bright, vibrant colors to make my design pop. Choose whatever colors you love. You can use the broad tip for filling in larger areas and fine tip for details. Feel free to experiment with different techniques to create interesting effects. Make sure you filled in all the areas and that the colors are even. Once you're happy with your design, let it dry completely. This usually takes a few hours to 24 hours.
Please hit the like button if you like the video so far.
And there you have it, a custom t shirt made with Touch Love fabric markers. It's a fun and easy way to express your creativity. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and feel inspired to try it yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects, and leave a comment below sharing your own t-shirt designs. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.